The Gauteng Department of Health continues to transform lives through life-changing surgical procedures.
The Gauteng Health Department is embarking on what they call a massive surgical marathon.
Our healthcare professionals have committed to restoring the dignity to many patients.
Doctors and medical staff embarked on a surgical marathon.
The year 2025 is no exception. Leveraging on the Mandela Day theme, it's still in our hands to combat poverty and inequity.
We will still continue with the work of making sure that we deal with the surgical backlog in the province.
The department has called on its employees to get involved. We will embark on the third edition of Surgical Marathon by providing life-changing procedures, including cataract, colostomy reversal, cleft palate, urology and breast surgeries, amongst others.